Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Airtable in just a few simple steps. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Claude AI and then log in to your account. From here, you want to click this plus icon, choose connectors, and then select add connector. Now in this list, you want to look for Airtable. Click this. Now from here, once you choose to connect to Airtable, Claude will ask for you to allow some permissions. Also, Airtable, you'll have to log into your Airtable account. So let's do that. And once you're connected, you'll see this notification that you're now connected to Airtable. And just like that, you're ready to start using it. Now, instead of manually searching through your tables, you can simply ask Claude to help. For example, you can ask it to show records from a specific table, summarize data, or create new entries in your Airtable base. And if you ever want to manage access, you just go back to the same um, by clicking this same page by clicking this icon and connectors, and then from here you can toggle this on and off for permission. And that's about it. Connecting Cloud to Airtable basically turns your database into a smart system where Cloud can read, organize, and update your data with simple commands. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!